Hi, this is Valerie's Borns and More. I got Jonah, Toddler Tuesday. It's farm animals. This week it's by Mandy's Cuddlebug. So he's got the shirt with horses, pigs, chickens, ducks, cows. Every farm needs a dog. So that's his shirt, and I got these pants for him. Reborn, Toddler Tuesday is hosted by, since this is Mandy's thing this week, so it's hosted by, three others: Siena's Dows, Alicia from Binky and Blankies, and Dolly Lane 19, and Renee Reborns. Right now she's taking a break. So yeah. And I also want to show you what Thanksgiving outfits I have. Like I said, some will be dressed up and some won't. So I got this one here. This is my first Thanksgiving. I got this onesie. This is my first Thanksgiving. I got this turkey sleeper. I got this onesie, my first Thanksgiving. I got this. These here on the back of these is this is like a whole turkey outfit. And I know who's going to be wearing this. Ian. Ian's going to be the turkey. And I have another turkey outfit that I use for a costume that I'm going to keep on my other one. Then this little dress. This is Little Turkey. I think I know who I'm going to put that one on. So yeah. This is Toddler Tuesday and a haul. So yeah. This is all for now. Like and subscribe and have a good night. Bye.